Friends, in this video, I will explain how to connect Eclipse software with GitHub account. Further, first you need to check whether the eGit plugin is installed in your Eclipse or not. Further, I'm going to help menu. In this, select the Eclipse marketplace. Here you can see eGit is installed or not. So you can scroll the box. If many plugins are already installed, you can filter by searching the eGit. Okay, so enter eGit in the find box. So you get integration for Eclipse is available. Here you check whether the eGit is installed or not. Suppose if this is not installed, click the install button like this. Then only the eGit plugin will be installed with your Eclipse software. After install, you confirm the installation this plugin. Close the dialog box. Next, you need to generate one public SSH key. This is used for connecting your GitHub account authentication. Without authentication, using this key can connect with your GitHub account. For that, I'm going to select the preference in this general option, expand the general option here, going to the network connection. Under network connection, select the SSH2. In the scheme management, select the generate RSA. So once generate the RSA key, select this key and copy this key and save it in this key in one place for your future use. Apply and close. Then go to your GitHub account, go to your profile icon, setting. On left hand side, you can see SSH and GPG keys. Select that option. So if you have already had many keys means you can see here. Suppose you want to add one more key means select a new option. My key title is anything you can enter for your reference. Paste that key here. Add the key button. Using add key button, you can add. Now you can see the alert box with some message. You have successfully added the key. That key name is my key one. So now your Eclipse software will connect with your cloud repository without username and password because the key is mapped with the account. Then go to Windows, show views, others, find the Git repository, open this Git repository panel. So the Git repository panel will open here. Next, which project you want to upload into the Git repository. Suppose I need to create one Java project, please go to Java project, click the project one, finish. So my project is created. In this, I created one package also, C2TC. Within this package, I create one class also with the main function. Okay. So if already your project is there, just right click on it, go to team, share project. Here you need to share your project folder place into your local repository place. For that, create one local repository folder. This folder will be created in your own machine only. So select the path where your repository will be created. So after selecting your path by the browse button, finish. So your local repository will be created. So that path is this. You can save the changes in a local repository by right clicking on your project, go to team, commit. So here some unstaged files are there. So these files need to stage into your local repository. It will be done by double clicking this button. All the unstaged files going to the staged stages. Next, you need to commit this process by clicking the commit button. Before clicking the commit button, you should mention some commit message here. Here I mentioned commit one. So it is a commit message for your future use. So if the changes related, this message is related to your changes, it can be referred in future use. So click the commit. So stage will be done. Next, right click on remote, create a remote option, origin, create. You need to select URL, click the URL. You need to paste the repository URL in this place. Further, I'm going to the Eclipse GitHub account. In this, I create one new repository. Suppose you already have repository means you can use that repository also. This is first time you log into the GitHub account means you don't have any repository. So that first create your repository or use the existing repository. So here I'll create my repository here. So if the name is available, you got message like this. Otherwise, choose another name. Create repository. Then you got one URI here, you should compulsory select the SSH option, because using SSH key only you need to link with the GitHub account. So select this URI and come to the Eclipse software. In this text box, paste the URI. Just click the finish. Add advanced option. In this advanced option, select the source reference and the destination reference. If the source reference is selected, the destination reference will be automatically selected. Add the specification. Just click the finish. So now your linking process is almost done. To check whether the connection is successfully made or not, further click the dry run option. If any issues are there, you can get the error message. But now this time I'm not get any error. Just it is on commit message only. Just close it and save and push. Now the pushing repository, your local repository will be pushed into a main cloud GitHub account. Just close the option. Now you can check the code in the code button. Sorry, code menu. So click the code button. Now your project is added here with the commit message. So we have an SRC folder also. So your code will be stored in GitHub account. Suppose you change anything here. So welcome to GitHub message I type. So now one unstaged changes is there. So you need to commit these changes by clicking the plus button. Here one file will be changes. So you click single plus or double plus. Okay. So this is my second commit. So I mentioned commit 2. This is a user reference, our reference only. This message, whatever you need to mention for what changes you are doing, that related message you can type here. Okay. So click the commit and push to the head. Push. The pushing process is there. If the process is done, you got our message. So when the push was happened, that related information you got it. So close this button. You can check whether the code is stored or not. How to check? Just refresh this page. You can see the changes. So welcome to GitHub message will be updated. So like this, you can upload your project anytime with your GitHub account. Okay. Thank you.